My name is Ade David.
Okay, how old are you? What do you
I am 13 years old.
Okay. Team. How do you see the team?
My team is good. Every day we train as well. Yes. Oh, my coach is good. Every day she practices us. When you are doing something and you do mistake, she will punish you. So everybody is here is serious. When you close the school, I come home early and do my assignment. We close 3 p.m. So by 4 p.m. I was supposed to be here.
Okay, I hope you are enjoying it.
Yes, I'm enjoying it.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you too.
All right.
I think the boy this 10 years old. March na course no dey na ya pa manage ho so mo bobo ni coach ni dey ya bibia kama say onjeja ya ma de bia ma training ndi no mo mani agi ti na metimi aka de o ya mani gi team ni say say bia bobo na binum ho a ma adwene so mo ntake ene ye Otian Mose was all tacky. I say we be so and so. I would like to be one of the sport presenters.
So, a freestyle?
Born a bed, a brand your friend can't Boneco, our bonus bagumensa, so plenty of friend don't go back to one of them, and still I don't watch bagumensa, and so possible to what about doing, plenty of friend Akufado, for the Moneco, but your fast on a so plenty of friend Honey, Elijah, what you want to finish some, and so Bonnie true.
Royalty, Royalty, 1, 2, 3.
My name is Kings Robin. I see the match very fantastic. Why you bobo na for bit me maybe I know na you na as like you go for this. If you want to or the boy, you want to free kick back put anyone with me boy me to share any other. One coach and the boy. Kalim Benzema.
So you want to be like him?
Yes.
In the next 5 years?
Yes.
All right, thank you very much. Huh?
My name is Ivans Apia. Actually, the idea near one day and one. The real will be Spitrovia. Definitely, Edgy foul me a bonnet. I will travel boning. And then one 20 energy. I say, you go back. Every bobo is good. Your bobo and in this campaign between show. Your bar will show me and your console or me and fast and buying. The sounds of people be my near the court to coach in the
Set me the kind can say, wow, by idea, the you fresh box you know. In a form of motivation, send a baby moon crying. I'm a bobo in and young people in born marble. Now, okay, now reserve in the comments. My idea, to you fresh in.
One day, yeah, Rory,
having me. I'm very grateful. I'm Comforter Amankwah. Most people know me as Mami in my area. I'm from Ghana, the Asante region to be precise, Pechi number 2, if I may quote it. A university graduate and unemployed too, as well. Okay, the name of my club is Glory FC. And when it was established last year, 2019 in March, so that means we are a year and 2 months old, if I may put it. Okay, role model, to be sincere, I'm my own role model, because, okay, I'm my own role model, but I like so many celebrities, like Jessica, Mac Brown, etc., but I'm my own role model. What motivated me, mostly, if I would say, are the kids. They are my motivation, in the sense that when I saw how they roam about when they close from school, and I also saw like most of them loved playing football. So at times they'll be playing 4 pools and others, and the way they were doing, I felt like, hey, if someone is here to help, I think it will help. So they motivated me to do it. Sincerely speaking, as I said, I didn't have it in mind. I am an accountant, to be precise. So they are the ones, I would say, made me start all this. I felt like, I don't even have any idea what coaching was. Even though in school I was a footballer and all that. But once I was just there, when they were playing, I went to join them. So their ball got busted and I had to get a new one, and then we started. That was how the whole thing started. So mostly they will come, let's go, and then I'll be telling them, do this, do that. Because some have the strength, but the knowledge and all that wasn't available. Yeah, so this is why really, so they are my own reason of doing it. Our beautiful team, if I would say, if you're yeah, because even let me say this in my language, and they nkran ba say mama muni ha na ha because na me plan is me too. So the motivation, they love it, they love playing the football. So they themselves, or more, they even come willingly without forcing them or even instructing them. Yeah, they themselves love it. So we all makes it happen. Support. It's only God. Because God and I, if I'll put it, there is no support from nowhere. 100% if say nya will be support, sir. Because Osha born and no more bono. Na Osha, most of them, the door na no more slippers. Inti like boots and those holes nesanyo many na bebo omo. Ebi wo kro usuro ne 90 kro bobo na no usuro. And nipa ba kon yeze untimi mfa wani ba kon hwe to am aseden. Untimi fa wani mi no hwe to am. So nipa ba kon, and I'm not working too as well. Timi nye bibia like me provide all their needs. Inti say Nyankopon ko bia come and then willing to help them for the love they have for it. We'll be very grateful. Yes, there are some challenges, such as every day you have to get them water, ensure benom, and nothing. So it be more cry at times on battery training, no money. On Titoda Gary also no mudi and all that. And there are a lot of challenges. A be or cramp and prombe kwa kucha, a dear baby sissy pose, anyway, in can be, or say, Omonante, park neso, ensure toa untimi mobile, in challenges. Okay, the motivation aspect. Personally, I do that so that they will have their eye on something and to do their best. You see, at times, if you are not being motivated, you can easily give up. Send him the kai say be more chromo ni dimpo no mo de aba. Nti at times no, ebu am timi na drink form. Ebi amenya one way na ana say box you fresh. Ebi am de atoso. Ebi won so crab am timi ka say bi a wa ba ya de me do be pie, do be ko pool and all that. Nti me yes as na be yan kran be nya ni gie bi mo e wo de omo yenim. Na omo ayire omo aye ni yi efri omo akomam. My only advice is a toda nyoma esi natural. Min kase ubia ne de ope, and ubia so de bebo an wiase. ade achi ade ese nyina no bi foforo na edi ni pe ekoso ebi ti say first no na high life pa na net so si say dance hall enti say o akoma bi fa football ho ene obedi tinsem bebrebe ye washi we kra be ka so sebe ma we kra be ka ensem bebre but if say eno ne ade a wani je ho ayema wani je ana won so bi ani age kra wani age for that I will encourage each and every person to just do what they feel or they think they really want to do, and God himself will bless us all. And thank you so much NKTV for having us here. We really do appreciate. You better NKTV ase. And radio mo your mama nkra ne so ani age pa. Nti ye better o mas Nyankopon show mo. Na ye nyina empa ibo ne say Nyankopon, God should bless us all. God should bless us all and help us all motivate and all be who we really want to be. That's all that I was saying. We are very, very, very grateful. At least someone has shown interest. And that one alone, we are very grateful. So thank you so much, NKTV.